After the unboxing of this new equipment, what we're going to do is set up the cell phone. Power on the device. First thing, welcome, and now we have to choose what language we want. If you want Spanish, just come right here. If you want English, just come right here. I'm gonna set it up for English for now. Press OK and start. So we have for your review and user license agreement. You just have to agree to all. If you don't, you're probably not going to be able to use the equipment. Permissions for Samsung apps and devices. So you can either go for nearby devices, phone, calendar, call logs, contacts, files and media, location, nearby devices, physical activity, SMS, and well, agree. Now you have to set up your Wi-Fi network. If you have Wi-Fi settings, you just choose your settings and that's it. If you do not have a Wi-Fi settings, you just press skip. I'm just gonna skip Wi-Fi settings and do this later. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. So if you have another cell phone nearby or you have another Samsung, you can just click next right here. But I don't have my cell phone nearby and I'm not gonna do this right now. So I'll just go for don't copy. Google services, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, install updates and apps, accept. This is another important part of all cell phones. You have to choose one of the following options to protect your phone. You have face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, and password. If you have another Samsung cell phone, you probably have a Samsung account. You just log in and that's all. If you don't have a Samsung account, there's no problem. You're all set up and that's everything. Finish. So this is your Samsung Galaxy A33.